Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Happy Thursday. How's everyone doing today? Guys, Bitcoin's looking fine. A little pullback. Some alts are starting to run. I believe XRP's having a really good day. So is Cashapp. We're going to talk about it in today's episode. All right. Let's get into it. How's everyone doing today? Happy Thursday. Welcome. Smash the like button on your way in. Guys, in about 3 minutes, I'm going to have to get up and go finish my chai latte. It's going to take me like less than a minute, so bear with me. But I wanted to get the stream going because I feel like we haven't had a fair amount of time before the daily close this week at all. The time change has like super wrecked my schedule. So I'm trying to get back on schedule for you guys. But Bitcoin's looking real good. Check out the liquidation heat map. Nothing wrong with a little pullback. Pesto is up 264% today. This no-name thing that I've been talking about, up 160% today. This thing is going crazy. $13.7 million market cap. We initially talked about it probably down here. And it's gone bananas, as we like to say on the channel. So guys, you get nothing but the best here. SPI wants to look at Jasmy. Let's go look at Jasmy. I've been hearing good things about Jasmy lately as well, as far as price action goes. Let's take a look. What do we see? Right off the bat, I see bullish div. So you got your candle body closing higher in comparison to your RSI. So there's bullish div here, which is calling for the move that you just experienced, which is 13%. So that's up to you whether or not you think that that's played out or not. Having said that, let's see, is this also, let me draw some lines. So we got higher and lower. So there's also bearish div. Now, we've seen this a couple of times on the channel. Usually when the bearish div and the bullish div are both present on the chart and the price is going up, that's what continues to happen. So this is not financial advice, but what we've watched play out a million times is the bearish and bullish div duke it out, and the price just continues to rise because of that. The RSI is going to continue to grind down, and the price is going to continue to grind up. That's just what we've seen. We've watched it. The biggest example of this that I can think of is Roar on ETH, which is the Roaring Kitty meme coin on Ethereum. We watched it play out all right here. It was bullish and bearish div all the way up. Non-stop. Bullish and bearish div all the way up. The RSI was fighting it, and the price was just skyrocketing. Now, obviously, you know, it's had a little bit of a pullback, as you can see. So you got to be careful for that, for sure. Guys, I'm going to put the Bitcoin 1 minute chart up for you, and I'm going to go grab my chai latte. Bear with me. Give me like 48 seconds starting now. I'm back. I think I might have been a little bit more than 48 seconds. Drew said I'm leaving. You guys are awesome. All right, but yeah, Jasmine looks good. It looks good to continue to grind up. Let's update our liquidation heat map on Bitcoin and get our updated liquidation points on symbol and the 12-hour. Don't forget, guys, in approximately 14 minutes, we will be doing the daily close contest where you have a chance to win $15, bragging rights, or absolutely nothing. The choice is yours. We take the first 10 guesses, and if you guess the first 5 digits, you win $15. Closest without going over wins bragging rights, and if you nail 7 digits, you could get a special prize. But that's up to you guys. First 10 submissions at 6:50 p.m. EST. And we stop. So we either stop at 10 people or at 6:55 p.m. EST, whichever comes first. And I have live chat on, guys. Be careful if you're putting the decimal. Sometimes YouTube thinks that it's a link, so your submission might not go through. And I guess if there's any problems, just let me know in the chat. And I can show my chat live just in case there's any issues. All right, we got right here 88,176. So let's just move this one. 88,176. And then there's this one right here. Let's go to, this one's really close, right underneath us, 86,989. See, why wouldn't you close your trade at that point? Are they wash trading? 86,989. Maybe it's like an exchange thing where they have to have it up because they're opposing trades. Look at us ranging in there, though, because of all of this volume. LA Sports Fan said, hello, LA Sports Fan. How are you on this fine Thursday evening? Welcome to the channel. Smash the like button on your way in if you like the video, and if you're new and you like what you see, please consider subscribing. Oops. We got some messy charts. We got some clean charts. Let's go through them. ETH getting in a little pullback as well. Interesting, very interesting. Total 3 also getting a pullback. Sol, ADA actually weirdly looks good. I had this W concept because I saw this M, and a lot of times I've seen the M turn into a W. So we'll see if that plays out. SNEC is up 6%. Very nice. SUI has just been blasting. Paul C said, loving this pullback to buy more. Do you think it continues to? And if so, how long? Great stream as always. Appreciate you, Paul C. Fahid said Karate Combat 3 is tonight, it seems. No way. Nice. As far as the pullback goes, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if it continues. I also wouldn't be surprised if it continues up. I don't know. I guess our next big support level that I'm aware of is kind of low. It's at the 77,318 area, which is a little scary. A lot of people would probably get shaken out if that happens, but it wouldn't be the end of the world, I don't think. And that's me being like a pessimist, thinking like people are going to stop buying. Right now, there's a supply shock. countries and are accumulating Bitcoin. States are getting ready to announce Bitcoin strategic reserves. I think that the bullish news outweighs the possibility of a bearish chart. And if there is a bearish chart, it's only bearish short term, and it's pointing to more bullish long term price action. That's my opinion. But as far as liquidity goes, Bitcoin's never, ever, ever been this high, which we're all aware of. And because of that, there's no support really anywhere. Like we got the support at that 77 level that I just mentioned, and then the next one would be right here at 73.5. So we can only hope that Bitcoin just starts dancing around here, kind of creating levels of support for us and building a foundation for us to moon to the upside some more without having to get any significant pullbacks in the future. Yeah, thank you, Paul. Appreciate you for stopping by. Let's go look at ADA again really quick. On the 4 hour, getting a little pullback. Okay. C is next. C is looking good. I heard Frankie Candle shout out Index on his stream earlier. He said Index was right about Cass. So congratulations, Index. You were right about Cass. Now you're getting a pullback because that was obviously a very, very violent 4 hour candle. So some people are going to take profits. But I mean, this was an obvious bear trap, which is sick. That's what we like to see. Shake out the leverage, get the bears out of here, and continue marching forward. Pesto's getting a little pullback. This no-name thing, I don't know why this blew up, but I'm excited about it. Allegedly, this was created by God on Twitter, which is a very big Twitter account. It is literally called nothing. So you would have to find it. Actually, you know what? Just in case anybody does want this, let me go tweet the link for it. And this is not financial advice. It's totally up to you guys. But I like nothing. Fahid said, when Mr. Miles, shake my head. Fahid, I don't know. Mr. Miles was in around the all-time high. I mean, he's been in it since like pre-1 penny even. So he's doing very well. But I think he's just waiting for new all-time highs, if I'm being completely honest. Is it literally just 20 cents? That's actually really nice. People were complaining about this? That's ridiculous. I wonder how many people sold. That's really funny. Yeah, I'm not sure. Janix said, "Oh, very degen, nice." Oh yeah, man. I'm super stoked about this thing. I'm up tremendously. I don't know what I should do though. Part of me wants to take profit, but then if it goes to like 128 million, I could have made 400 bucks, you know? So right now I'm only risking 20 bucks. Like that's all I put in this thing, so I think I'm just gonna leave it. Regardless of Bitcoin getting a pullback. Chainlink rejecting off of the short-term trend line again. Did it once before back here, doing it a second time up here. Hopefully if it does pull back, it holds this longer-term green trend line. Christmas Villager said, here comes a big pullback. Oh yeah? Yeah, you might not be wrong. You might not be wrong. Polkadot breaking back below. That's sad. RIP Polkadot holders. Doge. Ooh, Doge getting a pullback too. What is going on? Interesting. Polygon Matic Pole. Hardly had any upside to begin with, but it is getting a pullback as well. Near actually looks really good, honestly. It's gonna be time for the other coins to run. Chili's had a breakout. Now it's just kind of chilling, no pun intended. Is this a triangle? That might be pushing it, honestly, but maybe it is. Maybe it's falling wedge. We'll have to see. PHB and CFX are just good traders, so I'll pull them up for you guys to take a look at the points of interest. MicroStrategy, a little pullback as well. DXY getting pumpy. Silver getting dumpy. Nasdaq getting a little pullback finally after chilling at all-time highs for quite some time. S&P, same thing. Very closely following the ass fractal, looking good though. Christmas Villager said the market is going back another 15 to 20%, and then another big bull run, in my opinion. I could see that happening. I don't disagree with you. I actually like that concept. It's healthy to get pullbacks. People are gonna freak out. They're gonna lose their minds. They're gonna be like, "It's over. It's over. That was the top. It's over." They're gonna freak out and like cry to their moms, and the people that held are gonna watch it just go right back up. You're talking 15 to 20 for like total 3? Because that kind of makes sense. Yeah, that would be this big violent candle right here on my fractal. Which is just an idea. But he said all it took to bring it down was a speech from Powell. Yeah, that's usually what happens. I can't believe Ada and Snack are looking so good. What's going on? Sol, guys, I'm hearing people predict that Sol's gonna hit $1,000, which got me very excited earlier. Like super duper excited. Not that I have a ton of Sol, but I do have some Sol, and I enjoy the idea of it going to $1,000. You bet your ass I enjoy that. Christmas Villager said yes. Bahit said, but also the post-election euphoria ending. So also added to it. And Christmas Villager said true. Yeah. It can only last so long. But they're also talking about the possibility of Trump removing crypto taxes, which would also be huge. The Irishman said, if Sol hits 1,000, I'm a happy man. Same, dude. I would be happy as fuck if that happened. Ooh, the chai latte is absolutely delicious today. How's everyone's Thursday? How's everyone's week going? You guys have a good week? My week has been like weirdly long, and I don't know why. Like legit have no clue why my week has been so long. Let's go do some deep dives on our really degenerate holdings. Oops. Clicked the wrong button there. Legacy's still going up, which is good. Hopefully I can make my money back on that thing. Popo, my baby boy Popo, has betrayed my love. Same with Splo. Hopefully Splo can make a comeback. It does look like it's doing a little double bottom thingy. Tism actually looks really good. I'm very proud of Tism. I'm excited to hold this. Legacy, man. Oh my gosh, this thing. What a joke. What an absolute meme. Fahid said slow week for me too. Doesn't that suck, man? Last week literally felt like the longest week of my life, and I don't know why. Driving me crazy. Christmas Villager said solid week. It's hard not checking my crypto every 5 minutes. Yeah, dude. I have to like mentally prepare myself when I'm on a job site or something, or if my boss is around. I'm like, okay, I need to make money to buy more crypto. So it doesn't matter what the charts are doing right now. If I'm not concentrating on work, that means I'm not going to make money to buy more. And I have to like psych myself up to not not leave work early to stare at the charts. Because it turns out staring at the charts doesn't actually make money. Like you don't make money by staring at charts. You can make money trading, but you know, that's it's kind of a gamble. Unless you know exactly what you're doing, which, you know, then it depends on how much you're playing with, and then that's a whole nother can of worms. You know, I'll just stick with my day job. I want to buy a house in the future, and I don't think crypto is going to get that for me until it starts pumping like crazy. When we get into bull market territory, I'll start taking time off work. This is another big one for some reason. Omega. Surprisingly, I had this thing down here at like 20 million market cap, and I don't know why. Or maybe I bought it way down here at like 2 million. What was the market cap when I bought it? I got these green lines on here. And they go away, of course. Are you kidding me? Okay, I definitely bought it in like the single digits, I think, like 5 or 6 million. Okay, yeah, I had to have. So I'm feeling good about that. Christmas Villager said, I work on a computer from home. It makes it extremely difficult. Oh man, if I worked from home, I would I would have a separate device for my charts and stuff. And I would just be staring at it all day. When I work in the office a lot at my job, and I actually have the chart up on my second screen. So much so that my boss just knows that, like, he'll be like chilling and whatever, and he's like, "What's crypto doing?" And he just like watches me click to the chart, and I'm like, "Oh, it looks really good." He's like, "Okay, cool." He like knows that we can reference charts randomly at any moment because I have that shit open like a maniac. But yeah, Omega looks really good. I don't think I have too much. Okay, $17, so it's grown quite a bit. Popo, hopefully Popo comes back. I miss my sweet baby boy Popo. I put a lot of money on him. Hoping for a Popo pump pump. The Irishman said, you can use a maker filter index screener with your wallet address and see your buy levels. I do it for my degen plays. A maker filter. I think I can just check it somewhere else as well. Can't I? I think that there's another way to check it. Maybe I'm crazy. And it's like, it's in a weird spot as well. Because I remember accidentally discovering it and I was like, whoa. um, no. It's in a really weird spot, I remember. Maybe I'm just crazy. Yeah, I don't know. If I like do a transaction, then I can click on this. Yeah, okay, you're talking about this. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, I understand. I understand. I need to get my wallet address, don't I? Christmas Villager said that's a cool boss. Yeah, I'm pretty spoiled. My boss is pretty cool. He's he's a little odd, but he's getting better about it. There we go. Nice. Okay. So this no name thing, I put $16 on it at 8316 and 6169. So then what the hell is this blue line? Whoa. Okay. That's exciting. I didn't know I was up that much. Jeez. Holy crap. That's sick. Thank you, the Irishman. That was cool as fuck. Oh shit, guys. We're supposed to be doing the daily close guess. Alright, my bad, guys. Get your guesses in. Um, I'm just gonna do the first 10 people. We're supposed to cap it at 6:55, but that was my bad. I got distracted. I got totally distracted. Guys, get your guesses in for the daily close. Let me go on the clean chart. Okay, yeah, Janix knows what's up. Oops. Yeah, it's not too late. It's not too late, Janix. I just got distracted. That's totally my bad. 86,696. All right, who else, guys? Get your guesses in. I'm gonna give you guys a little more time. A little more time today. Because I messed that up. Remember, if you nail the first 5 digits, you win $15. The Irishman said 87010. If you nail 7 digits, you get a special prize. Closest without going over wins bragging rights. Christmas Villager said 90111. Crypto Heli said 87,189. Apparently, I don't know how to use the space bar. Fahid said 87,334. 87,334.45. Yeah, guys, if you want to, I'm going to cap it now. No more guesses. But the people who have guessed, Janix, Irishman, Christmas, and Crypto Heli, if you want to add change to yours, the point whatever, let me know in the chat and I will add it. And if you nail all 7, then I will give you a special prize. But that won't negate you nailing all 5 either. Like, so just so you know, you're still in the contest for all 5 digits and everything. Christmas Villager said I have no idea and I can't see the graphs. LOL. I mean, I got them up on the chart. Bitcoin's currently at 87,358. This is for the daily close today. I do like your bullish guess, though. I really like that guess. Let me put them in order. 86, 80. Irishman is 87. Copy. Oh, I almost forgot that. Oh. Jeez. Can't even highlight. Copy. There we go. And then Fahid, 87,189. Or I'm sorry, that's Crypto Heli. And I can't read either. Can you tell that I'm a little bit tired? 87,334 for Fahid. Okay, there's our entries. Christmas Villager added 0.11. Okay, I like that too. Very lucky. Lucky numbers here. Crypto Heli said 0.02. The Irishman did not give me change yet. Teach you. I'll get you in there. 87,546.22. No, you're good. You're good. I was late. I was late doing it, so I'm gonna let you enter. Christmas Villager said bull run incoming. I couldn't agree more. All right, guys, we got 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes. Yeah, Tishu, normally you would be late, but today I was actually late informing my chat. I got distracted by my gains on my soul shitters, so that's my fault. That's my fault. I can bend the rules a little bit, you know. It's not like this is an actual like taxed giveaway, so. All right, what are we going to get? We got 6:57 p.m. EST. Bitcoin's currently sitting at 87,147.48 cents. I'm going to make a guess. Yesterday I guessed Jazz, and I actually was right. So today, 87,125, it's probably going to go up, maybe? It is closest without going over. It is Price is Right rules as far as the bragging rights goes. I'm gonna say Fahid gets it. If he nails all 7 digits, that's gonna be fucking awesome. That would be so epic. Fahid 87,334.45 cents. Irishman 87,010. Crypto Heli 87,189.02. Janix 86,696. And Tishu 87,546.22. We're currently at 87,360, 324, 308. We got 1 minute left. This is the candle. Where this candle closes will determine our winner today. And it's coming back down. Okay. All right. Okay. Here we go. Any minute now. 24-hour trading volume on Bitcoin is $86.87 billion. Wow. All right. Let's see what happens. We got less than 1 minute to go. Less than 1 minute to go. Who's going to take it? So far, it's going to be the Irishman. Could be Fahid, though. Any kind of spike. Close race. Very close. Oh. Oh, no fucking way. It's going to be so close, guys. It's going to be so close. There it is. close 87, 340 and 40 cents. Whoa! Congratulations, Fahid is the winner. Fahid wins bragging rights once again. The unstoppable Fahid. Congratulations. Spam the bananas in the chat for Fahid. Send him unsolicited nudes of you or your partner. It doesn't matter. He has no choice. That's why they're called unsolicited. It might be weird, but it's funny. Get over yourself. Fahid is the winner. Congratulations. Once again. Absolutely dominating the guesses. Fahid is actually Bogendorf. They did not die. They went into hiding in Canada. What is happening? There you go, everybody. Congratulations to Fahid. Spam the bananas in the chat. Oh, that was so close, dude. That was so close. Fahid got again. Every time Fahid gets so close, I'm scared. Whenever Fahid shows up and guesses, I'm so scared. I'm like, oh shit. I'm gonna have to pay Fahid some money. Every single time. It's terrifying. Guys, Bitcoin's pumping again. That's on the 1 minute chart though, so let's calm down. Calm down, JJ. It's gonna be okay. Go to the 4 hour. Congratulations once again, Fahid, for being the winner today. Spam the bananas in the chat for Fahid. Guys, also smash the like button. Fahid's prize is that you guys smash the like button. That is all that he wants. And bragging rights also. He gets his nudes just like everybody else. Yeah. Another successful daily close in the books. I can't believe he keeps winning. This shit's rigged. That's pretty good. That was a good one. That was a good one. Guys, total 3 is kind of just chopping sideways, honestly. Let's go look at Pesto again. Let's look at the no name thing. So I did take profits on Pesto again. I've taken profits on him quite a bit. Can I do this? I don't remember. No, I copied something else. Okay. Let me get my wallet address really quick so we can see. Janik said, can I follow Fahid? What's your X? I believe, let's actually go check him out. Let's go find Fahid. No. There we go. Bam. All right. FNN Crypto is Fahid. Guys, go follow him. I'm going to post this in the chat for you guys. Let me know if that worked. It's showing up for me, but I don't know if it's going to show up for you guys. But go follow him on Twitter. He is an absolute genius when it comes to numbers. Congratulations once again, Fahid, for nailing it. Absolute legend every single time. Every single time. Yeah, I think this stupid nothing coin is gonna be crazy. I'm hoping Popo is gonna be crazy. Popo is my sweet baby boy. Omega, out of nowhere for no reason, just keeps pumping. I don't know why. I don't even know. I like a stupid small amount of money into this. And I've taken profit a million times. Let's see. JJ I bought just because it's my name. Duh. What else do we got? Roaring Kitties looking okay. We did look at it earlier though. It's getting a pretty hefty pullback. Yeah, guys, it's really just about Pesto and this no-name thing right now. They're both sitting at 14 mil, which is kind of crazy. Kind of crazy. My fiance the other day was like, "Are you gonna buy Pesto?" Because he's like shedding his feathers. He's gonna be an adult king penguin now. And I was like, "Oh yeah." So I put some money in it. And I've just been using it. It's been like bankroll every other day. It's up like another 100%, 200%, and I'm taking my initial out every single time. I've literally multiplied my initial investment by like 4 by buying Pesto. He's also freaking adorable. Look at him. Look at his little face. Look at his little face. I don't know. You guys, you can't fade the cute animals. I remember looking at goat, and I specifically, and goat's not an animal, by the way. The goat coin was definitely like AI, but I looked at it and I was like, you could probably find the stream word for word. I said this thing's gonna fucking rug, and it exploded. It went up to $500 million market cap, and I was like, son of a bitch. I look like an idiot. It was crazy. It was absolutely crazy. Guys, I think it would be fun to make a meme coin of my cat. Because she's adorable. And old. And people like old, adorable cats. Pesto is number 52 today. Let's go. Let's go. The cute animal meta is the meta, I think. Oh, shoot. Pop Nut's back up? I wonder if Pop Tato is going to make a comeback. RIP Peanut. Justice for Peanut, guys. Why is RFK up here? What a weird one. That one's so out of left field. Dude, a Charles Hoskinson's soul meme coin would be so freaking funny. Oh man, guys, nothing feels better than chilling with my friends on stream, looking at meme coins, watching the market pump. There is not a better feeling in this world besides like having a kid. Having a kid, maybe getting married. Like living with the love of your life. But besides those things, chilling with your friends on a live stream, just watching your bags pump. It's quite amazing. And you know what? I feel like I'm going to say this every single day until the bull run is over. People are going to tell you you got lucky and that's the only reason why you've made money in crypto. That's not true at all. You like there might be a small handful of people who got lucky and just got in just before the big pump. But majority of you guys have been here through the bear market, which was absolutely miserable. And to say, oh, you got lucky is like a slap to your face. You guys deserve this pump. You guys worked for it. You guys put the time and effort into buying and holding your bags for this damn long. You didn't get lucky. You fucking busted your ass to get here, and you guys deserve it. Fahid missed it. He said it was close. Fahid, it was you. It was you, my friend. You are the winner. Which should explain all the unsolicited nudes you've been receiving since 8 minutes ago. Just so you're aware. Congratulations, you fucking nailed it again. I don't know why you keep doing that. It's freaking me out, Fahid. Every single time you come in the chat and enter the contest, I'm like, ooh. Like, I wince a little bit because I'm like, shit, I'm going to have to pay him if he wins. Because you get that close every time. You were off by like $5.55 this time. That's a little freaky. It like gives me anxiety. I'm like, oh shit. There's something supernatural going on. It's crazy. Off by another few dollars. Yeah, man. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. Oh. Omega. This one was a weird one today too. Like I didn't even time it right, and you still nailed it. Congratulations. Guys, it's Thursday. We're chilling. We had 243 subscribers today. Well, how many likes are we at? You guys smash the like button? We are at 8 likes. Very nice. I'm thoroughly impressed. I appreciate you guys for smashing the like button. Don't forget to check out the channel. We got some merch. But besides the merch, what really, really excites me is when you guys watch my content. That makes me so happy. Go check it out. We got Dungeon Meshi, D&D, Stardew Valley, Cardano, video games. We got some fun off-the-grid playthroughs. You know what? Speaking of off-the-grid, what chart are we going to get rid of? Probably one of my 18 Cardano ones, right? That's only fair. That's only fair. Or I'm going to get rid of CFX. And I'm going to add Avalanche. I think Avalanche deserves to be on the list because of the Guns Network and the work that they're doing with Off the Grid and other gaming stuff. Guys, I think we did this yesterday, but I'm going to do it again because I feel like yesterday was a pretty chill stream. Today we got a little more people here. We got 8 people. Guys, Avalanche has like a whole gaming section on their website. And it just makes me so pumped for Avalanche. I don't know what any of these games are, but I feel like I've heard of like half of them. DeFi Kingdoms I'm definitely familiar with. The fact that gaming on Avalanche is this big of a thing, I don't know if you guys have played it, but Off the Grid is huge. This is a huge game, and it is so much fun. It would be stupid to fade Avalanche when it comes to crypto gaming. And we read an article on Cointelegraph the other day. This right here. Shield your eyes. Off the Grid success shows invisible blockchain is the winning play. When I'm playing a video game, the Irishman said nothing is going again. I don't know what that means. When I'm playing a video game, I don't give a crap if you're like, oh, but it runs on crypto. Why do I need to care? I just want to play the game. Let me play the game. I'm going to play the game. And then later on, if I find out, I'm like, oh shit, Off the Grid is a crypto game? I can take the hexes that I extract and I can sell them on the open market? That's pretty cool. But I don't need to do any of that stuff to play the game and enjoy it and have fun and be good at the game. Then don't shove it down my throat. Nothing is more annoying than a pushy sales pitch. And I feel like that's what majority of crypto gaming has been. Off the Grid is the first time they're not trying to shove it down your throat, and it's successful because of that. And the game is crazy fun. The game is amazing. I don't know, man. I don't know. Guys, I think that it's high time that we found another meme. I think it's been a minute. What do you guys think? What are we looking for? Are we looking for a cute animal? Are we looking for something mildly offensive? What are we looking for? Oh my gosh, Baby Fred is up 58,000%. What the heck? Oh my god, it doesn't even look like it's up that much either. I can't. These people are crazy. Huge is pretty great. Huge. Huge. Baby Michi. Uh-oh. Oh no. We're gonna look at this and then we're gonna like not buy any. And it's gonna explode. Why is it CTO'd already? Is this like a way around something? Do they CTO? Do they CTO right away? Because it's like costless or something? Crypto Heli said check out Barsic/Soul. Okay. Let's go look at Barsic. Ooh, Hezbollah's can't. I fucking love Hezbollah. The video of him and Mike Tyson cracks me up because they interviewed Tyson later and he had no idea that Hezbollah wasn't a kid. He thought that he was actually like, and it kind of makes you feel bad for Mike because like everyone's judging him for this. He said, I think easy 10x play. I don't know, it's 18 million, 18.9. It would go up to 189 million if it was 10x. I don't see why that's impossible. 100 million seems to be the standard for memes. And it doesn't seem like something people are dumping either. Which, can I just point this out as well? When meme coins do good, it's because the dev didn't dump it all for like a couple grand. And if they wanted to leave, they would be smart and hold it, like stuff like GOAT, or probably this, and then they would just sell like, how much money do you spend a day? You're not spending $10,000 a day. When there's like 100 grand going into these things per day, you could sell like a couple grand a day, ladder out. You don't screw anybody over. Everybody wins. The coin still pumps to Valhalla, and you don't look like an asshole. The Irishman said, I meant the nothing shit coin. That thing needs a name. Oh. That's so funny. Dude, the nothing shit coin is my favorite. I absolutely love this. I knew nothing about it. And I bought some. I was like, this is so funny because it's just blank. I bought some when it was in the top 100, like the first time I saw it. And I was like, this is hilarious. And then I started digging on the Twitter, and people are like, people are going to go crazy for this when they realize so-and-so made it. And I'm like, who the fuck is so-and-so? It's Shloms and God. Nothing is crazy. Magic Eden has nothing bags confirmed. What? Oh shit! Disclosure Crypto is a JJ Gary token. All right, let's go take a look. I think I found this. I think I've been looking at the wrong one this whole time. I think this is the right one. We looked at this yesterday for you. On the 4 hour, it looks good. Let's go to the daily. On the daily, you have a very clear double bottom here. Very clear. Now, why did this get this low in the first place? I have no idea. That's none of my business. My main concern is the TA. And right now, you got huge, enormous bullish div rate here. And again, guys, do your own research. I don't know if there's an inflation rate. I don't know if people are just printing these and selling them like crazy. I know nothing about this project. But the TA shows me that there is bullish div here, and that could lead to a potential upside spike. That being said, exercise caution. It does look like every time it goes down like this, it recovers pretty quickly. So you're maybe looking at something else like that, and maybe it won't recover as far this time, but still, a recovery is a recovery, and you can still make profits off of that. So if you're a trader, there's definitely a pattern here to trade. Not financial advice, but again, this thing, it looks like it's been kind of obliterated into the nothing. So just be careful. Don't get rugged on projects just because people influence you into them. Exercise caution, but it does look good. It really does. It looks like a double bottom and like it's potentially leading into a spike. Our friend JY's Avenger is not around at the very moment, but for him, now here's Barsic. Let's do some TA on Barsic. Guys, smash the like button on your way in. I appreciate you guys for being here. The caffeine in my chai latte is lovely at the moment. 15-minute on Barsic does also have bullish div, not financial advice. The RSI is lower while the price is higher. There's also bearish div. Now, when we've seen this happen, which I've pointed out already, when we see this happen, the bullish div and the bearish div duke it out, and the price continues to go where it's going. So the RSI is going to continue to grind downwards, and the price is going to continue to grind upwards. Not financial advice. This might not happen. If it breaks, it's probably going to go whatever direction it breaks towards. But we watched this played out with Roaring Kitty, and it skyrocketed simply because the bullish and bearish div duking it out. You got bearish div at first, followed by bullish div, so the price just can't go anywhere. It's getting trapped by both competing divergences, which just pushes it up. Not financial advice, guys. Do your own research. Jose Felix said, hey, what's going on, Jose? Is it Jose or Joe's? I don't see the little asterisk above it. I'm assuming it's Jose. Forgive me, I'm a white guy from Michigan. I don't have a lot of culture. Alright, guys. Let's go look at Banana Cat really quick, because I called the crap out of this thing, and I'm pretty proud. I want to see if it happened again. Okay, no. Nope. It did break down. It broke down below our little pattern. But that's okay. We called this move, and we called it probably, what is that, 25% of this next move? I can't believe we called this one. This one was sick. That push up right at the exact same level that I drew that line. That's crazy. That's exciting. Hopefully JO's Adventure took some profits. Jose. Okay, I like it. Jose. That's what I thought. Jose? All of my coworkers from Mexico always try to get me to speak Spanish, and it's really funny because I'm super fucking white about it. And they like hype me up. That's funny. All right, Omega. I don't know, man. I don't know. What should I do about this? Should I do anything? I don't want to hold it for forever. But I feel like 100 million market cap. Jose Felix said, can you explain the RSI thing again? You're talking about the bearish and bullish div? Okay, so I'll use Gary because Gary's... No, what was the example that I was just looking at where I used it? Parsec? Okay, so the biggest thing is I'll just look up bullish divergence and then go to images. I've referenced this chart a million times. Just look up bullish divergence. Don't use the word RSI. This right here, this picture. So bearish is when you measure the top of the price action in RSI. Bullish is when you measure the bottom of the price action in RSI. It does not matter if they're going down or up or down. As long as you're measuring the top, it's going to be bearish. If you're measuring the bottom, it's going to be bullish. So right here, we have the top of the price action is going up, while the top of the RSI is going down. And you have to match these. This point right here matches this point right here. This point right here matches this point right here. That's bearish div. The bottom, which is right here, of the RSI is going down, and the bottom of the price action is going up. They're opposing. So the top is going up, the top is going down, the bottom is going up, the bottom is going down. That is bearish div, which I'm going to make red. You got bearish div playing out and bullish div playing out, which I'm going to make green. Now, because the bearish div came first and the bullish div comes second, we know that it's more than likely, which I'm only saying this because we've watched it play out. This is not a sure thing. We just saw with Banana Cat that these patterns can break and then they're invalidated and they're no longer relevant. But at this very moment, the chart is telling me that the price should go higher because the bearish div pushed the price down and the bullish div wants to push the price up. Bearish div pushed it down, bullish div wants to push it up. Right down here, bearish div pushed the RSI down, bullish div wants to push it up. And it's going to keep doing that, and the bearish div and bullish div are going to keep duking it out while the price grinds upwards. Now, what we watch this play out on is Roar, which is a Roaring Kitty meme coin. We watch this play out all throughout all of this price action. The bearish and bullish div were like duking it out, and the price kept pumping and dumping and pumping and dumping. And then eventually the structure broke and it just dumped. But that entire time, you had bearish and bullish div duking it out, opposing one another, and the price just went crazy eventually. It's almost like a pressure chamber. It keeps doing it, keeps doing it, keeps doing it, and then eventually it has to pop. Now, again, I'm not saying that this is for sure going to happen. I'm just saying we've watched it happen before, and it resulted in some insane upside potential. Now, what I would want to watch out for is this right here. If this is how the upwards RSI keeps doing, then once it gets here, it might just break down. It could break up as well, but it's gonna. There's a possibility that that upper trend line traps the RSI and then wrecks the price action. And again, this is divergence. Divergence, I think, only plays out like 60% 4% of the time, so it's nothing crazy, but it usually signals a change in pattern, and it shows you liquidity patterns in the market. And we've watched it play out a couple of times, so, and it's the easiest thing to point out in the chart. But yeah, I've referenced this picture 1,000 times since I started in crypto because it's hard to remember, and eventually you'll get it because there's hidden and regular. That's why I don't point out if it's regular divergence or hidden divergence, because they're both the same. The bearish results in downwards price action. The bullish results in upwards price action. Bearish is measuring the top of the RSI and the price. The bullish is measuring the bottom of the RSI and the price. As long as they are opposing price and RSI, then it is what it is. It can either be opposing equaling bearish or opposing equaling bullish. Guys, Pesto is pumping for some reason. I think it's because of his fur. Because he's losing his fur. And he's becoming an adult king penguin. This no-name thing is going crazy, which I absolutely thoroughly enjoy. Let's go look at Bitcoin again. Let's get out of the daily. Why are we in the daily? Let's go to the 4-hour. I think it was because we were looking at Gary. That's what it was. Yeah, Bitcoin looks good. I'm excited to see what the week turns out. I really am. I will say I do think that this fractal is officially trash. This might be our first fractal that I don't think has played out at all. But we'll see. If the price ends up in the same exact spot on November 15th on Friday, then, you know, maybe we can salvage it. The Irishman said, let's go no name. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Dude, this thing's going crazy. It's up 231% today. 17.3 million market cap. This is making me... It's making me happy. It's making me very happy. Pesto. Pesto was just an anomaly. My fiance was like, have you looked at Pesto? And I was like, no. She's like, he's about to lose his feathers. And I was like, there's a Pesto meme coin. And she's like, okay, well, you might want to buy it. And I usually don't listen to her. And then later on, I'm like, Pesto went up 500%. She's like, I fucking told you. So this time I listened and I bought it. Irishman said, I'm going to call it blank coin from now on. Okay, I like that. Jose said, do memes care about technical analysis? I don't know, actually. We see the Roar one that I pointed out was the one that I originally discovered this whole bullish and bearish divergence duking it out scenario. And I've used that ever since. I used that to call Banana Cat. And I didn't even know this. JY's Adventure was like, can you look at Banana Cat? I'm like, sure. So then I was like, it goes up like this, and then it spikes. It's going up like this. It's probably going to spike again. And this played out exactly like this. And he came to the chat, and he was like, JJ, you called the move on Banana Cat. And I was like, no way. And I pulled it up, and I was like, holy shit. And this is bullish div. See the price is going up and the RSI is going down. Price went up, RSI went down. Spike in price and RSI on both parts. Now, was there bearish div here to duke it out against? I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think that there was any bearish div, but the bullish div did lead to pumps. Now, right here, it does not look like any bullish div occurred afterwards. At least nothing sustainable. It just kind of retraced like pretty hard. So meme coins, they can, and I don't think it's the price action respecting the TA. I think it's the people trading the meme coins, like self-fulfilling prophecy, respecting the TA. I think that's what's happening. Guys, I don't know what to do about this. I don't think I want to sell this. Like until it's at like 100 million market cap at least. But yeah, Jose, that's why it's like one of my things whenever people are like, "Can you look at so and so?" I'm like, "Yeah," and then I pull it up and I say, "Let's do some TA on this meme." It's supposed to be ironic because it's a meme coin, and meme coins usually don't give a shit about TA. But I still like to do the TA on the meme coins. I don't think that that's bullish div. Let me see. Sometimes it gets really, really intricate. Like I got to look at this, the RSI, the purple number right here, and I got to compare it. Like we know for sure that the price is going up because we can see the candles, but I can't really zoom in enough on the RSI because that close this low point right here. The RSI is at 41.11, and this right here it's at 40.57 and 39.87. So I do know that the RSI is going lower here. So I've confirmed now that there is very, very faint bullish div on Popo. But we had that in the past, and it, I mean, I guess technically it played out. I would say right here, yeah, that's 90%. That's a pretty heavy move. So yeah, I guess it played out. Let's see. Guys, I really, really like this price action. Did I call this move on ADA? I think I did. Snack. I love snack. I'm a snack maxi. Like I'm such a hardcore snack maxi. It's should be illegal. How much snack I have? Pesto. Blank coin. Let's fucking go. Let's go. Popo. Come on, baby boy. Barsick. Now I want to buy some of this, damn it. Who pointed this out? Hmm. 21% candle. I mean, if you had just a stupid amount of money and you threw it out on one of these and made 20% and sold, that's, I don't know. I feel like I would be in so much trouble if I was filthy rich and I knew that meme coins existed. Jose said, when do you start taking profits on meme coins? That is the ultimate question, Jose. I don't know. Sometimes, like Pesto, let me show you. I can actually show you all of my transactions. Somebody else helped me figure this out too. I can show you all of my transactions on Pesto. Pesto, I bought $10 here. Wait, actually right here. I bought $10 here. I was up and I sold half. And then I guess I sold $10 later. And then I bought $5 and I've sold $6. So I try to take out my initial. So I'll let it go up in most cases 100% and I'll take out 50%, which is then my initial investment, and then I call it house bags because I did not pay anything for what's left. So this right now, it's only $5, but if this thing goes to $144 million market cap, that's $50, and I only risked $5. But I've also taken out $5, $10, $5 like 3 or 4 different times, which you just saw. So it's paid for itself like 3 or 4 times. And that's pure profit. Now my bag is free, so if it goes to 0, I still made out with what? 200% gains? That's one instance. And it also depends on the market cap. A lot of times the market cap is the game that you want to play. It depends on the narrative. It's a lot of psychology. Popo is probably the biggest mistake I've made besides Splo. Popo, I had a ton of gains. I bought it way early. And I made a decent chunk of money. Probably doubled my money at least. I think that's what that is. And I just wrote it all the way down. And I'm watching it kind of dance around below my entry now, hoping that it comes back up. The money that I have in it isn't really worth taking out. But this is one of those prime examples of me not taking profit because I'm greedy. Splo is another great one. Where's Splo? Splo. Right here. I made probably like 40, $50 off of this, and I left it like an idiot. It blew up, and I was like, Splo memes are going to be the next big thing. It would be stupid of me to sell this. And I made a ton of money. And then I watched it all just get pissed away. Gone. Now it's doing this. It's sitting it's sitting at the bottom where it launched. It launched down here. It's sitting just above that. And I look like a dummy. But, you know, you gotta live with the losses as well. Matt said, "Oh 07 JJ, 07 chat. Act, holy shit, 43x right now, hell yeah." What does 07 mean? Is it 07? Every time Beth says something, I look it up on Deck Screener. Alright, he said act, act, act. Yeah, this thing went crazy. Look at that. Woo! 975%. Just an instant 10x, no big deal. Wow. This is why you don't sell your dust. Because it can turn into something. Guys, smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for being here. I don't like it when Bath enters and he doesn't say the thing that he says every single time. Because now it's getting to a point where he hasn't said it in so long, so it's not going to be a routine anymore. Fucking up my routines, Bath. Congratulations, though, on Act. That's amazing. That's so sick. I'm pretty bummed that I missed this. Is this Omega? Is that the same thing? Jeez, I gotta open up a new tab like a dumbass. Where is... There it is. No, Omega's like a white figure. Okay, then I don't know who these are. Is it Cat GF? I don't know this man. We got Goat. There's some dog. I don't know, man. I don't know. Guys, smash the like button. We did hit our goal of 10 likes. I appreciate you guys. Let's go see Pesto. What do we do, guys? Do we wait? I think we hold our Pesto bags because, like I said, Jose said, how many meme coins do you recommend to have? That is also up to your discretion. So it depends on your risk tolerance, and if you just want to... I kind of treat it as a game. So I put in like 20, 30 bucks, and I put $5 on each meme. And then some of them, like this, Mudengus Maximus, go to 0. Some of them go to 31 cents. Some of them go to 6, 7, 8, 9, 15, $65. So it's at your own discretion. I have way too many. You said you have Bonk and Ponky. I like those two. I think those two are great holds. So it all depends on your risk tolerance and if you want to babysit it, and if you would be like heartbroken if they went to 0. It's probably not a good idea to have too many. But I mean, if you're gonna do meme coins instead of, let's say, buying a scratch off every Friday, then that's probably I feel like it's probably a good way to treat a meme coin like a scratch off. If you have those where you live. Guys, Bitcoin's chilling. ETH chilling. Sol chilling. Total 3 chilling. ADA kind of pumping a little bit, which is weird. SNEC getting a little pumpy. Oops. SUI is going crazy, which is awesome. C also, C looks okay. It's a little dumpy. Cass blowing up. I don't know where Index has been, but congratulations, Index. Everybody apparently knows you as the Cass guy on YouTube, which is kind of cool. Chainlink just cooling off a little bit. Polkadot getting back below its trend line, which is sad. Doge eating up that red candle. Polygon Matic pole looks like shit. Near looks great. Chili's looks pretty decent, actually. I like this falling wedge that we drew. PHB looking good. MicroStrategy again. We went through this already. Let's go back up to Bitcoin dominance. Hopefully it takes a shit and goes to 0. And Bitcoin still remains at like 100K. How would that work? It would have to be like a decimal of 0, and all the other altcoins would have to be like crazy valuations. Or just like $1 and like several billion. Several billion alts, which I feel like is kind of possible with how the market's been going. All right. Pesto. Pesto is so pumpy, dude. And then Blank Coin, Popo, Omega. Oh my gosh. Bath, what's our take profit levels as far as market cap goes? Cause I got some stuff that's like up tremendously. I don't want to miss the potential Act 1 pump, but I also don't want to watch my bags go to zero like Popo and Splo. Give us some juicy alpha if you would. While we look at some other, Jesus, things going crazy even more. 12.69%. That's awesome. Irishman said memes and sweet been doing heavy lifting for my portfolio this week. Jose said, "Are you most excited about this cycle than past cycles?" Of course, because I didn't take profit on past cycles like I should have. So this cycle, I'm like, I'm gonna take profit. And when I say past cycles, I mean past cycle, because I've only been here since the 2021 cycle. So I think 2019 maybe was when I first got into crypto. I don't remember. I just know that my first coin was Litecoin. He'd said Act hates me. Oh man, I will say there's a lot of cute animals this time around. A lot of them. Poge, I kind of like that. Dookie, that reminds me of poop. Dookie. Oh my gosh, Pesto's going crazy. Heck yeah. I like the money flowing into meme coins right now. I really do. And it's not even like pulling Bitcoin down either. You know what? I do want to point out this yellow line was the target from the Bitcoin Archives tweet regarding the average returns for crypto or for Bitcoin specifically for October, November, December. He did miss his target for October. My low target hit perfectly. This blue line. But then my low target got broken, busted through like hardcore, and his target hit for November. So we'll have to see what December turns out. Jose said, I heard someone talk about Georgie. I heard people talking about that too. Let's go take a look. Georgie? Maybe it's Georgie. Yeah, monkey taken by police. Dang. Is this Justin Bieber's monkey? Huh. 19 million market cap. I feel like this one has potential. Let's do some TA on this meme. Guys, smash the like button. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I do see bullish div right off the bat. Right off the bat. Bullish div. Bam. Now, has that played out already? Because you can kind of only count it right here. I think it might have. Yeah, 60%. Bullish div played out already. So I guess just keep an eye out for more potential bullish div. Otherwise, we're chilling. Let's go check out the Twitter. I like to look at the social media presence as well. Oh no, Brandy Botello. Botello. Why do I know that name? Georgie is now in custody in Irving, Texas, relocated to a wildlife sanctuary. This mirrors the same injustices. I mean, if the monkey wasn't being taken care of, though. Oh, because she didn't have paperwork, so they just stole her monkey? Okay, yeah, I would freak the fuck out, too. Touch my fucking monkey, bro, I'll kill you. Dang. Justice for Jorgie. Nice, okay. I mean, I like it. I like what they're doing on Twitter. The Irishman said Bath convinced me to buy Jorgie today. I'm up 2x. Nice. He just kept screaming, "Look at the monkey. It's under a blanket." Yeah, Bath has some pretty pretty foolproof techniques. Where's the blanket though? Oh shit. Oh shit. Hitting the gritty. Damn. Where are they listing? Poloniex. Damn, that's not cheap either. Oh, L-Bank. Oh my gosh. How did they get on L-Bank? Russell Beats said favorite tokens on the Cardano ecosystem. I also make beats if you would like to use one for your channel. Oh, absolutely. Cardano ecosystem. Favorite tokens. I actually have a video. If you would like to check out the video, I would appreciate that. But I will also go through them for you on stream. My video is literally right here. Top 10 projects. 3 days ago. But I'm going to go with Snek #1 because the community is huge and the developments that they've gone through, just like being fully self-funded. I have nothing but respect for the team at Snek. The community comes through for everything. The Snek Pit projects, Sneckies, NFTs, Sneks on Chain, Snek Energy, everything that they've done is nothing short of impressive to me. Iagon Cloud Services, I love this project. I think that DPIN is going to be a huge one this time around, and I think ecosystem plays are important. So Iagon is my DPIN play on Cardano. World Mobile, the decentralized internet, really attracts me. I don't know why. They have their own infrastructure. They're not just renting bandwidth from other internet service providers, and there's allegedly a documentary getting ready to come out about how World Mobile paired with SpaceX, not SpaceX, I'm sorry, World Mobile paired with what's the fucking internet service called? Starlink. World Mobile paired with Starlink on SpaceX's property saved them but from deploying like several of their Starlink setups on the property. Instead, they just have one World Mobile deployment. Nuvola, another DPIN. I believe Nuvola is cloud storage and GPU sharing. LendFi, peer-to-peer lending. What else was there? I think it was just Memecoins after that. Dex Hunter, another big one. Dex aggregator. You get airdrops from this, and they're not just like little like $2. Oh my gosh, everybody gets $2. Like the airdrops I got from using Dex Hunter were pretty significant, and they just take a snapshot from you holding Hunt and using Dex Hunter. You don't have to hold a ton either. I held like the smallest amount required for the airdrop, and I still received a ton of money. Cornucopias Gaming, great gaming project. The developments that they've made actually surprised me. Like the video that I made was, I didn't write a script for this. I just went through and I clicked through my favorite projects, and I was like, it genuinely like made me jump when I clicked on their website and they had all this new stuff. I was like, whoa, I had no idea. What else? I think Nike, which is Charles's Potbelly Pig meme coin, Charles and Fren were the other ones. So that's it. Bath said Scoop Jorgie less than 10 million holding, but volume isn't that great. All things considered, 47x on Act right now, and it could break out here. Damn. Jose said, "What about Cornucopias?" Yeah, that was on the list as well. Cornucopias for sure. The game that they have, I don't know if it's getting ready to come out. I have not tried to play it yet. I do need to figure out if I can play this because I want to play it on stream one time. They have like a racing game. There's like exploration. It's the game trailer looks awesome. I'm gonna see. Can I play this and mute it? Yeah. So here we go. But yeah, this I don't know. This looks crazy to me. And it's just a preview. I haven't actually played anything yet. I think other people have played it. But it's more than just like a platformer, and it's more than just like a VR chat room like other crypto gaming projects were last bull market. It looks really good. I don't know. I get like No Man's Sky vibes. I get pod racing Star Wars. I get Star Wars Battlefront vibes. Here's the pod racing thing. There's a lot of Star Wars going on, unintentionally, I think. But I mean, it looks pretty sick. Star Wars Battlefront is super fun. If it's anything like Off the Grid, then it's gonna be huge. So hopefully they deploy it with the whole silent blockchain situation, which is what we looked into with Off the Grid. Because that's what I think Off the Grid is what's making Off the Grid so great right now. Come on, Popo, I believe in you. Jose said, your laugh sounds just like Jordan Cameron's laugh. Really? I'm actually come from Jordan's community. That's weird. Franco told me that I laughed the the Joker. Now I'm gonna be thinking about my laugh the whole time. Sometimes like halfway through my stream, I get like congested, so then I can't talk through my nose anymore. Or I can't utilize my nose when I'm talking. I don't know if you guys can tell. It also most likely just has to do with my posture because I have terrible posture. Oh boy. Alright, guys. I'm probably going to call it. Been a pretty chill stream. Bitcoin's not really doing nothing. If it does start to do something, I'll probably hop back on. But otherwise, I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget, Fahid won the contest today. So make sure you congratulate him. Go join the Discord in the description below. And go congratulate him in the Discord. Happy Thursday, guys. And I will see you tomorrow. Tarun Mather said, what caused today's pullback? I believe it was Jerome Powell. But it's a pretty tame pullback, so we're bound to get some more pullbacks because Bitcoin's pretty hot right now. So we're gonna have to pull back if we want continued upside. If we go up with no pullbacks, that's gonna be bad in the future because then when we do finally get a pullback, it's gonna be violent, and a lot of people are gonna lose a lot of money. But anyways, I appreciate you guys for joining me. Smash the like button on your way out. If you're new, please consider subscribing. Share the stream with your friends and family, and I will see you guys later. Good night.